Hey, welcome to the YouTube channel for day 196. This was the 14th of March, 2023, a Tuesday. I had a doctor's appointment in the morning. I had an insurance consultation for my insurance business in the afternoon, a training session. I worked on insurance business. I worked on books, and I worked on this email affiliate marketing, and of course, Livegood. I made some Livegood calls yesterday. So grateful today. I'm grateful because my channel is slowly growing. I'm actually had a couple people, take a peek at my channel. One I mentioned, one really minor celebrity. He's got a pretty good channel. He's got over 7,000 subscribers, and I mentioned him, and he came and commented on my video. And so, I've got 5 subscribers now. So, I'm thrilled at that. I'm humbled and I'm thrilled and grateful. I'm 196 days into this, as I said earlier. I think this is how it works. You start off and like nobody's there and there's no views coming from anywhere. And then, you get 1 or 2. And then there were a couple of comments today, like probably one is like spam, but whatever, it all helps with the algorithm, right? So, and then I had the other YouTube creator who had a pretty big channel comment on my channel. So, it's starting to happen, and it's like it's that consistency. Like, right now I'm really tired. I had a long day today because I make these days the day after. I had a long day today. I took a trip. But I make it a point to do this like every single day. And I 196 days. I think that there were a couple times where I did miss a day, but I made up for it. The goal is to be consistently consistent and keep doing these videos. So I really believe it's like the Gary V. I mean, Gary V had a video where he had his first 1,000 days. Like every second, he would go through a frame, and each frame would have a day that he started. He started on day 1, and after 1,000 days, I mean, the video ended at 1,000 days, it's 1,000 seconds. But now Gary V is popular, and he said he put in the work. He did the work, and became successful. So I'm just grateful. I'm grateful for people being here, and I hope to duplicate that success. I'm grateful for the people who have blazed the trail and have shared their experiences, and I'm grateful for you all who are watching this right now. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how I can do even better. All right, thanks very much for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.